Fáilte go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is me se arge agus tapach na seachtain inniu, Laethanta Saoire, vacation. Agus seo iad na Focail agus na Frásaí. Airport, Aerfort, beach holiday, Saoire cois tra, break, pause, suas, catching up on, Breith suas, entertainment or amusement, Siamsaíocht, Ferry, farantóireachta, festival, Féile, flight, Eitilt, free time, saor, fun, Spraoi, hiking trail, Conair shiúlóireachta, holiday cottage, Teachín saoire, picnic area, Láthair phicnicí, road trip, Turas bóthair, to relax, Scíth ligean, seashell, ligean tra, sightseeing, fámaireacht, sleep, Codladh, social event, Ócáid sóisialta, staycation, Saoire, tan, da na gréine, travel, taistil, trip, Turas. What are you up to? Tar bonagat. What will you do? Cadi any do. It's very humid today. Ta sé an-mheirbh inniu. What will you get up to? Ver bonagat. Are you looking forward to that? Will to exúil? Are you looking forward to the film? Will to exúil scanan? I am really looking forward to relaxing. Ta masúil gomór ligean. I hope to go on a trip to New York. Ta masúil gol ar Turas go nuaurach. I am looking forward to seeing a series on Netflix. Ta migsúil srai ar Netflix ekel. I am really looking forward to reading my book. Ta migsúil gomór leabhar leo. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.